This is what's going on right now. It's bubbling, bubbling, bubbling until it fucking boiled over. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Turn it off. Hold on. Oh fuck, here we go. God damn it. So yeah, what's the problem here? Something's fucked up. Let me know. Fucking hey. Jesus Christ.